In this video, I am going to show you process of elimination, which question it is best for, and I'm going to also show you how to dissect test questions when it comes to your passages. Let's start. Right here is a test question that will be on the test. If not, it's still good to know because it will be utilized. But pause the video, read the question, and then we finna get into the keywords. Let's get it. All right. So here is in this test question, your keywords are congested heart failure, your side effect of that medication, which was administered, and the treatment, which was her breast cancer. So down below, I put in a little passage that came from your ICD-10 CM manual. This is your adverse effect, poisoning, and side effect chart. You will need to highlight this again. Highlight it in your ICD-10-CM. You will see it again. This is very important. Let me show you. Right there where you see the blue dotted in the answer choices. And you also see where it say T45.1X5A. Right there where you see it highlighted at where it say 5. If you look in that category, that middle category where all the answer choices at, where you see T45 and then you see 0.1X, you have 4A, 5A, 3A, and 1A. So that is how you can tell. In the chart that you're looking at, it also shows you on the side. You'll see it more clearly if you open your manual. Right now, this is just a video and I'm not too sure on how well you can see it, but I wanted to make sure I point that out for you so you can know it when you open your coding book, so you can highlight that for you. All right, so here is another test question. In this test question, you are going to do process of elimination. This is where we start understanding how to do process of elimination. And I'm going to show you on how to dissect each test question there is, along with its test answers. Here goes. We are going to look at the first column, the second column, third, and fourth. And I'm going to allow you to take a moment to pause the video so you can take a look at this and also look at the keywords that are highlighted. All right, I hope you took the time to take a look and pause the video so we can get more into it. So I highlighted the keywords during labor and performed in the hospital because that is what's important when it comes to finding the correct code. So I told you to take a look at column 1, column 2, column 3, and column 4. These are within the answer choices of your question. As you can see, column 2 and column 4 are both the same for each test question and answer. So now our main focus is column 1 and column 3. We need to focus on which codes are going to correctly fit this descriptor. In a couple minutes, I'm going to pop up a little chart to show you that it's the same thing is going to result in your ICD-10 CM manual. And we're going to be discussing Z37.0, Z38.01. Let's take a look at it so we can get a brief understanding on why it's important to highlight your keywords. Z37.0 is single live birth. Z38.1 is single live born infant born outside hospital. P03.8, 11, and 10 gives you the difference of why it's important to highlight the keywords. As you can see, P03.810 is shown before the onset of labor, and then 811 is showing during labor. Your correct answer is B, Z37.0 P00.0 P03.811 P05.9. And as you can see, I highlighted during labor, performed in hospital, because again, our focus was column 1 and 3. This is how you dissect. Follow me for more on YouTube.